begin making the Mangalorean fish curry, wash, clean and marinate the pink perch fish with salt and keep aside. I've used 2 of them. Now let's make the masala paste for the gravy. We'll need the shown ingredients for the paste. We'll transfer all of this into the grinder. 1/4 cup freshly grated coconut, lemon-sized tamarind, 4 garlic cloves, 6 red chillies and 1 small onion that is roughly chopped. Now along with the ingredients added, add less than 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now add some water and grind to a smooth paste. Keep adding water gradually while grinding till the paste becomes smooth and nice. This is how the paste should look. Transfer it into a pan or kadai. This recipe is easy to make and can be prepared within 15 minutes. Then add some salt as per your taste and some water. Do not waste the masala from the grinder, add some water into it, shake it well and use that. Now mix this well. Then add some more water and continue stirring. Continue adding water. The gravy shouldn't be very thick nor very waterish. It should be like this. Now into it add an inch of ginger that is chopped, 1 small sliced onion and 2 slit green chillies. Stir once again. It's time to boil the gravy now. Place the vessel on the stove and let the gravy boil on a high flame. If you're using a mud or clay kadai, keep the flame on a medium-high. Check the taste and add salt as required. Once the gravy has come to a boil and you see the bubbles appearing, lower the flame and add the fish. Be gentle while adding the fish into the gravy. The pink perch fish is also known as Madmal or Shankar Fish. Now higher the flame and let it boil once again. This will take around 2 minutes. Reduce the flame once the bubbles appear and take a clean cloth. Hold the edges carefully and gently swirl as shown. Do not use a spoon for stirring. Continue boiling the gravy for 2 more minutes on a low flame and then turn off the flame. Fish takes very less time to cook. And here your Mangalorean fish gravy is now ready to be served. Serve hot and enjoy.